Hey budding artist, welcome to iArt Studio. This is Ishwerya Bharath. This painting is a part of my Art and Travel Australia vlog. I have decided to paint those places which are close to my heart during this whole road trip. You can click the link below in the description box to check out my art and travel videos. During our road trip from Melbourne to Sydney, we stopped to see this beautiful beach in Victoria. Going to a beach will be the most important activity to be ticked off from the holiday checklist. And one such beach is this. To see the kids playing in the sand, people of varied age groups jumping against the wave, or simply sitting on the sand to watch the distant horizon where sky and the sea meets. I couldn't resist myself from painting this as soon as I came back from the vacation. Check the description box below for the materials required. With a quick sketch, I start to paint the clouds by mixing phthalo blue and titanium white. Invert the canvas and paint according to your convenience. Add some titanium white and create a textured effect. This will make the clouds look real. I apply black as the base layer of the sea. Remember to wipe off the excess paint before taking the next pigment. I apply phthalo blue using the same palette knife and then taking some titanium white for showing differences in the value and applying in the corners of my knife. For the sand, I am using yellow ochre and blending the sea and sand with fingers. This adds life to the painting. And then I take titanium white to paint the waves and use your fingers to create the texture. You will get to see the impact your fingers create on the canvas. I take raw sienna for the sides where the bushes have grown, and add some burnt sienna for the shadow portions and some titanium white to highlight the areas where the sunlight falls. Using some sap green for the bushes and to give the grass effect. Mixing some burnt umber and black, I paint the cluster of bushes or the empty branches on both the sides of the canvas. Now I take the small round brush with white to paint the seagulls. Highlight their wings with black. The sea will never be empty, so let's paint the arch. Outline it with white paint using a flat brush and then paint it with the color as per your preference. It is always fun to watch the kids playing in the sand trying to build their own castles. So I have outlined a child facing the sea and turned towards the side and collecting sand with his toys. I have added details like a cap for the child and few kids playing in the distance. I have given blue for the stripes of the t-shirt and cap. After adding skin color to the hands and legs of the child, we shall continue it with burnt umber. Why not add a ball next to the kiddo? Here it is, a colorful ball on the side. Sign your painting, and here is the finished piece of Lakes Entrance beach painting. Do try this painting and tag me in Instagram and Facebook. Subscribe to iArt Studio for more interesting paintings.